Yeah, hi everyone. I'm here for 5 days training. So this training is under Miss BK Nair. So I really learn a lot. I learn how to talk to people, how to manage my business, how as a leader what should I have to do. This is my first time, so it's quite interesting and exciting to me. I learn a lot. Actually, I'm an introvert person, but after I come here, I learn to talk to other people as well. So it's quite encouraging to, as a young people, we have to join like this training, learn more about business, leadership and more so on. So these 5 days, I thought it's really encouraging me. So I hope the youngest over there can join Miss BK Nair Resources training if got more luck. Thank you.